Alright, you can see a very nice canvas here, which is a complete wooden block, and I'm in the middle of a painting. Now I'm going to complete the whole version. So you can see here is the water body and two tree. Just you can see here. Okay, and two tree here and two tree in this position. And sun that's not too much bright here. Now I'm going to put some white color. Okay, to increase the special effects of the, you can see the sun. Going to make it as round as possible. Okay, so putting the color. Now it's clearly visible, you can see here. And for the tree here, just putting a border on the side of the tree, just making it, you know, partially just visible very nicely, adding little bit water for the more details. So on the side of the trees, all the trees, you're just adding the white version on the top just to show the reflections. Okay, just to show the reflections here, adding the white portion on the side of the trees. Okay, and let's add little bit greeneries on the sides. Okay, also adding greeneries on the sides here. Few colors here. Awesome. And adding the green at the bottom just to add the grasses. Adding the grasses. Okay. All right, so for the, you know, the tree branches, we're just putting the details of the leaves like this. Other details you can see here. Okay, another you can see. So few leaves, actually these are the combinations of the leaves in case of the taller trees. Okay, now I'm going to draw the other one on the side. You can see the other one on the side. All right, so the drawing is going on for the leaves very fast, very easy drawing, not so much complicated. You can draw if you practice. All right, few strokes in the island and for the reflections too, putting here for the reflections. Okay, just adding the water, just putting some drops here. Some water drops here. Okay, so that tree is going to be the green tree, and here I'm going to put the purple color just to highlight the spring area using a different brush so that I can work pretty fast. Okay, Okay, all right, so few colors at the bottom. Okay, so colors you can see in the bottom and few colors here on the top. Also you can see the reflections on the water of the same tree. All right, now we're going to take the white color just to put the shades on the top portion. Okay, and let's make the variations. Although this is a springtime of tree, you can see the variations of the colors and the shadow. Awesome. You can see the white glare coming up from the sun. All right. Okay, so the sun's reflections coming up to the last end. Okay, so for the tree branches here, we're going to add a little bit, the white portion to show the leaves clearly. That's why working on all the leaves here. Okay, so there's the tree leaves and the details is taking very less time. Okay, so each branch I'm just doing the reflections just to make nice visibility. Okay, also see here. All right, and a few white strokes just putting for the grasses on the island, making it clearly very nice. Okay, all right, and few strokes putting here. Okay, so this is how the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Do practice at home and your drawing is also going to be fine. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.